The triangle angle bisector proportionality theorem says if a ray bisects an angle of a triangle, then it divides the opposite side into segments proportional to the other sides. So again, if a ray bisects an angle of a triangle, where is the ray bisecting the angle of the triangle in this picture? Well, here's the triangle ACB, and this is the ray that is bisecting the angle. See, this angle is congruent to this angle. These are congruent angles. This ray is bisecting the angle. So what happens? That ray divides the opposite side. So opposite from that angle, it's dividing that side into segments, segment A, D, and segment B, D, those two segments, proportional to the other sides. The other sides are the sides AC and BC. So when it says proportional, we can make a proportion. Something over something equals something over something. So how is this going to work? Opposite from that angle is segment AD, and opposite from that angle is segment BD. That is proportional to the other sides. AD is adjacent to the side AC, and BD is adjacent to the side BC. So AD over DB or BD is proportional to AC over BC. Let's see how we can use this in some examples. Solve for the missing side length x. So I see a big triangle and an angle that's bisected. Across from that angle, I see this side divided up into these two segments. So we can write 3 over x equals, and then the adjacent sides. Now I went top piece to bottom piece, so I will do top side to bottom side, 9 over 12. Now I'm going to cross multiply to solve this equation, or multiply by the denominators. X times 9 makes 9x, and multiplying by the denominator of 12, 3 times 12 makes 36. Now I need to get the x by itself, so I'll divide both sides by 9, and x equals 4. Easy as pie. Let's take a look at the next one. Again, here I have a triangle bisecting an angle that's bisected by this ray. Across from this angle is x, this side, piece of the side. Across from this angle is this piece of the side, but it doesn't have a label. How long is that segment right there? Well, I see that the whole way across, P to R, is 8 units long. If part of it's x, we're going to take away to find the rest of the piece. So that would be 8 minus x, the whole way across minus part of that. So we'll start our proportion, x over 8 minus x, top piece over bottom piece. That will equal top side over bottom side, 3 over 9. Now normally to solve a proportion, I would prefer to simplify the ratio. But in case we don't, let's see how it looks when we multiply by the denominators. 3 gets multiplied to the quantity 8 minus x equals, and 9 gets multiplied to x, 9x. We need to solve this by distributing. 3 times 8 is 24, minus 3 times x is 3x, equals 9x. We'll add 3x to both sides to get our x's together. So now we have 24 equals 12x. And then to get the 12 not next to the x, we'll divide by 12. And that leaves us with 2. X equals 2. Thanks for watching!